Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Dreame D20 Plus map settings. If you're interested in the D20, the link to it will be in the video description. So within the Dreame app, we have to select our D20 Plus. So we have our device right here. Select go to the device, and that'll take us to our main page where we have our populated map. On the right-hand side towards the center, there's a map icon with an eyeball. We can select that. This is our map display settings. We can toggle on or off things like cleaning preference, furniture icons, room names, floor materials. So adjust that how you want to see things displayed or not displayed. We can rotate our map in 90-degree increments, and we can view it in 2D or 3D. Below the eyeball map icon, we have a pencil icon. That's going to be to edit our map. We can rename, backup, restore, or delete our map. We can adjust room partitions here, so merge, divide, or hide a room. So that can be done right there. Then we have our ground environment. So we can select floor material. So let's just choose this room, floor material. And then you'll notice the different options we have: tile, floor horizontal, floor vertical, or others. And then carpet. So we can click on a room to add carpet, drag and drop. Next, we have our no-go zones and virtual walls. So we can add virtual walls and no-go zones and no mop zones. Everything's drag and drop. So we'll go do a virtual wall. You can see that there on the map. No-go zone in red. No mop zone in purple. And you can add a combination of all of these on your map. Next, we have furniture. So if you want to add furniture, look at all the different furniture options you have. If you want to build out your house this way, that's just for your own preference. I personally never do that or spend any time there, but you have the option. Then we have cleaning sequence. You can adjust the cleaning sequence. So slide to reorder how you want it to process the rooms during cleaning, which one you want it to service first, all the way to the last one. Just simple drag and drop to rearrange. And then we have virtual threshold ramp. So the robot can pass moderate threshold smoothly, so you can identify them basically here. Take a look as it kind of can jump up. Identify passable or impassable thresholds. If you're going to add a ramp, you can do all that right there on the map. So if you have a passable threshold, that's going to be in green. So add that somewhere. Impassable one, you can help it out. That's in red. And then the ramp, don't exceed a 12-degree angle. You can add that little guy right there, more in like that purplish blue. So you can build that out right there on your map. And then below those icons, we have multi-floor map management. This does support multiple floors. So up at the top, you can toggle multi-floor maps on. We have our current map with all of the settings we already looked at. Then we can select create a map down at the bottom. And this is how you create an additional map to the first one that you initially set up. Now you could take this upstairs or in your basement and either have it clean, and while it's cleaning, it will map, or have it fast map. I prefer the fast mapping option. It takes 5 minutes or less. Then you can get the map populated, rearrange cleaning sequence, or set some no-go zones and things like that before it does its first clean. But up to you, they give you the option. So that's how you add multiple maps down at the bottom there. Multi-floor map management. And that's really it with the map settings. We can look at some of the cleaning settings down at the bottom that relate to our map. So we have 3 tabs: all, room, or zone. So basically, we can clean everywhere. We can clean different rooms by selecting them on our map, or we can do zone cleaning where we can add multiple zones, up to 10 zones, and we can clean those zones up to 3 times each. So you can populate specific areas, rooms, or everywhere using your map to clean. So overall, the map settings are very customizable and easy to use and configure to your cleaning preferences and likeness.